Tired of hearing skip the treats for healthy holiday eating? Me too. Listen in. I'm about to share a science-backed game plan, a simple order of operations that lets you truly enjoy the festive feasts. Let's get tactical. First move is your pre-meal shield. Before you sit down, try this. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a big glass of water and drink it about 10 to 20 minutes before you eat. Why? Because it literally blunts blood sugar spikes, and I promise you'll barely taste it. A study published in the Journal of Evidence-Based Integrative Medicine showed that vinegar can improve insulin sensitivity and significantly reduce blood sugar levels after a high-carb meal. It sounds a bit odd, but the science is solid. Vinegar can significantly improve how your body handles sugar from a meal. It's an easy win. Imagine heading to the table. The spread is glorious. Where do you even start? Here's your most powerful hack. Eat your fiber first. Start with that salad or the roasted veggies before moving to anything else. Fiber creates a kind of mesh net in your gut that slows everything down. Research in the journal Nutrients showed that eating vegetables and protein before carbohydrates reduce blood sugar spikes by up to 37%. So build your plate in this order. Fiber first. Second, your protein and healthy fats, like that gorgeous turkey or sumptuous ham, with a little dab of olive or avocado oil. Now you can bring on the carbs. The potatoes, the stuffing. You're not avoiding them, you're just making them wait their turn. Don't go overboard though. Portion size is key. This sequence alone is a game changer. Want to make the food even more flavorful? Use the spice rack. Add oregano to your savory dishes and cinnamon to your desserts. Oregano is packed with polyphenols that help with glucose metabolism, and cinnamon has slight insulin-like effects. Studies in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics suggest that cinnamon can mimic insulin and increase glucose transport into your cells. It's practically a sugar buster you can sprinkle on your pie. Now, for a flawless finish. Once the meal is over, instead of reaching for a second soda or a sugary coffee, brew a pot of chamomile, ginger, or even guava leaf tea. Research suggests compounds in these teas can help moderate sugar absorption. Plus, it's a warm, soothing way to signal to your brain that the meal is complete. Wasn't that incredible? A meal that satisfies, not one that sends you on a guilty spin. Now, for the critical move, resist the couch. A gentle 10-minute walk around the block, or even just standing and chatting while you help clear plates, makes a massive difference. Muscle movement pulls sugar from your blood for fuel. A recent study found that even a 2-minute walk after eating helps. Imagine what a few more minutes can do. And if the weather allows, bond over a family football game or a walk to see the lights. Connection, that's the real holiday magic. A quick reminder, enjoy the season. Don't cram everything in a single day. You don't need to try every pie and casserole in one sitting. Take the sample platter approach. Have a bite or two of what you love today, knowing you can have some more tomorrow. This isn't about restriction, it's about strategic enjoyment. I'm Dr. Hanz. Feel your best throughout the festivities.